Miss Lally, and we have seriously crazy gusty wind going on today. I thought I had my seed tray covered up pretty well, but no. I went to a funeral today, and I thought I was good. I covered my seed trays up, and when I got back home, the top was blown off. Both tops were blown off. One of them I found pretty much beat up, and the other one I can't find. So I just took my little nursery table down, because I figured, if these winds continue to get more gusty, if the winds continue to build up in gusts, then I just figured the table's going to have problems. It might get blown over. So I took everything off the table, set the seedlings beside the house, and of course they're in shade, not in any sun. But now I'm dealing with a problem of I don't have a covering for my seedlings, so I guess I'm gonna have to bring them in the house. Really didn't want to do that. So it is very gusty outside. There's no way I could talk with my camera outside. It's just too gusty. So it's kind of wild, and part of our carport just came apart. And when I was coming home, I seen that there are tree branches down, and also our power was out this morning. I woke up around 5:30. Power was out probably longer than that. It didn't come back on till around about 9. So I didn't think the winds were going to be that gusty today, but they've just been building as the day progresses on. So just wanted to give you an update on what we are dealing with here in Eastern Virginia, the wind. And they did say we were going to have a lot of wind this weekend, but I just didn't think it was going to be as gusty today. So plants are leaning, but they look like they can handle it, I guess. I hope. So we'll see what everything looks like come Monday morning. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend.